TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 10, Nasdaq's off 6, S&Ps are off $1.50. We have gold down 4.50, trading at $12.20. Silver's up 8 cents at $17.53. You have platinum up 10 at $1,170. Oil's down $1.36, trading out at the 58.52 mark a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year is up 11 ticks, 127.23. 30-year is up 1.5 at 154.18. And King Dollar's up 296 at 93.80. You got the euro down 45 at 113, and the yen is up 38 at 119.55. Now, if we go over to the SPY, we start with the SPY. What you have here is this, folks. We get option expiration. You can expect high volatility. You're at the highs in the SPY. On the daily, it got over the highs. Had lighter volume yesterday. It's going to have lighter volume today. It's going to have lighter volume for the week. So the real key is, do you close under the 212.24, which it got over yesterday? I suspect we're going to, and then you'll have a failure on the daily, weekly. And what you're actually going to have here is a triple top. The first top that was established out here was February 25th. Second top that was established was the 27th of April, and the third top would be today. That's on the daily and on the weekly, and triple tops are really unusual. There's no two ways about that. We take a look at the 3Qs, the NDX 100. Now, the 3Qs hadn't got any juice. 3Qs never made it to the spike high. The 3Qs had a spike high on the 27th. You can still make the case that you have a triple top. The 3Qs closing under 109.42 would give you that triple top. IWM, if we take a look at the small caps out here, what you have with the small caps have absolutely zero juice. Small caps, the high and the small caps are up at the 127.13. Now, what's intriguing about this is that the small caps did make a triple top. The first top that was established up there was the 23rd of March. The second top was up there at the April 15th. The third top was up there at the April 27th. So it's going to be pretty wild watching this whole thing shake out. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold, wide price spread, accelerated volume on Wednesday and Thursday. And this is one beautiful setup if you happen to be a metal bull. What you have is this. You've pulled back today to 12.10, rejected that price. You're at 12.21 right now. You're going to have lighter volume. You're pulling back into a huge 242,000 contract day. You'll probably do about 150 today. This is setting up an additional ABC structure on the way up. This gold contract wants to run up to the 12.45 level. More than likely, it's going to make this run up to the 13.03 level. If we go take a look at the silver market, a little bit different in silver. Same type of setup, though, meaning wants to run up to the highs. What we have with silver, silver's trading right now at 17.53. You have 29,000 contracts traded. It looks like silver's going to break over the highs and have another day of strength today. Silver wants to run up to this $18.55 mark. Bonds. Now, bonds, what you have with bonds, folks, they are setting up a huge ABC structure on the way down. You have the 10-year right now up 11 ticks today. You're trading out. You have 611 contracts, 1,000 contracts. That is coming. We came down with 2.1 million contracts into this 126.06 level. So bonds want lower price, higher yield. We go to the King Dollar. Now, King Dollar also setting up a monster ABC structure on the way down. What we have with King Dollar's bouncing out here today. It was up 415 ticks. Now you're up 210 ticks. Light volume, extraordinary light volume. You're coming into 102,000 contracts. We've done 20,000 contracts. We'll probably do about 35 for the day. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.